guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of the video, this is gonna be a Boxycharm unboxing. This is the August box. As you know, this is what it looks like. This video is not sponsored. I pay for this every month. I think it's like $25. So this is what the card looks like for this month. It says spa, glamping, sunbathe, yoga, and slumber. So it's kind of get ready for the fall, like camping and stuff like that. And on the back of the card, it tells you what's in the box and how much it costs. So we're gonna start. So the first thing in the box that's on this list is this right here, and this is very exciting. It's from Glam Glow, and you can find this at Sephora, and these could be pretty pricey. This is retailed at $54. That's basically paying for your box right there. But this is the Moisture Trip Omega Rich Face Moisturizer. So it says Moisture Trip is a lightweight anti-redness moisturizer with omega-rich cannabis sativa seed oil that helps calm irritation, relieve visible redness, and optimize skin barrier defense against environmental assault. This soothing formula with hyaluronic acid is proven to hydrate all day and provide instant relief from skin stress. So as you know, I love moisturizer, and I've used it a couple times, and it does feel moisturizing. I don't know if I really feel a difference because I really just started using it. I got this box like last week, but I love moisturizers and I love Glam Glow products, so I love this. The next thing I got in my box, I actually don't like this brand. They're frequent in Boxycharm and I always get them. I wonder if there's a way to say like Boxycharm, I don't like this brand, but this is what it is. And there's always like a stick type of thing, which I'm oily. I don't like these type of things. But this is the Trestique Summer Glow Plus Go set, and this retails for $42. And I don't know if these things really be the price they're supposed to be, because like I'd be thinking this is a mini sample type of situation, and I haven't even used none of the products. It just never like popped out at me. But this is a must-have mini set to get your perfect summer glow in petite mini crayons. So like I said, it's like a mini set. Oh look, it says this mini set features the best selling shades of the highlight stick, blush stick, brow pencil, and shade crayon. The ultimate on-the-go set for your summer adventures. So this is what it looks like. Like I said, it comes with a highlight, a blush, a shimmer, and like a deeper shade. Yep, so it's good for traveling, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna just kind of slide it open, if I can slide it open. So this is what it looks like. It's just their crayon sets in the different colors. I mean, if you use something like this on the go, I mean, it's pretty cool. I'm not gonna use this. And as y'all know, everything I don't like, I sell on my Poshmark. So make sure you follow my Poshmark. Everything will be linked down below. But this retails for $42, so that's paying for your box as well. The next thing is from Clarins, which is an expensive brand, which is this. And this is the Velvet Lip Perfector. So one thing, I don't really like red lips, if y'all know. I think this is like a red pink color. Clarins best-selling natural lip perfectors go bold with a new matte finish, a liquid lipstick with a weightless mousse texture that delivers a highly pigmented velvety finish with soft blur effect, formulated with conditioning and nourishing shea butter, leaving lips feeling hydrated for hours. So this retails for $26. And what is the color? I think it's, I don't know, 04 Velvet Raspberry. So it is like a fuchsia, I can't speak, type of shade. And this is what it looks like. It looks very high-end. Like, it looks so classy, and it has the name and everything on it. It looks cute, but this is not like a color I would normally wear. But it is cute. I wish it was a different color. The next thing in my box, which is like the best thing besides the Glam Glow, is brushes. I love brushes, and these are Morphe brushes, and I never really tried official Morphe brushes. So this is the I Got This brush set, and it says, "Oh, these babes, just the 4 natural and synthetic eye brushes you need to pull off all the gorgeous looks. Go on and give them a sweep. Collection includes an oval shadow brush, pro firm blending crease brush, taper mini blender brush, and an angled liner brush." This retails for $12, so I'm probably gonna use this. So let me open the package. And these are what the brushes look like, if you can see. So it has everything you need to do an eye look. It has the shadow brush, the crease brush, the blending brush, and the liner brush. Liner brushes, I could do without the liner, but it does look kind of like flat, if you could see that. Whew. Everything is falling out, but this is what it looks like. Because as y'all know, I tried to order Morphe brushes at one point, and then I got some fake ones, but I washed them and I still be using them. So this is like the fake James Charles brush set, but these brushes are pretty good, but I'm happy to have actual Morphe brushes so I can actually try it. So I'm excited about this, but this only retails for $12. For this, you're not paying for your whole brush, your whole box, I'm sorry. So the last thing is a big fat liner, and this is from Rockin' Cosmetics. So it says, always start your eye look with your big fat liner, and you can be as bold as you want. Get creative and experiment with different shapes, and this retails for $25. So the packaging is cute. It's kind of like a superhero with the stars on the cap, and it's red and black and yellow. It's super cute. So this is a liner. I don't know if I'm gonna use this. I have so many liners that I gotta go through, but it's always good to have a liner. So that's everything in my box, and this box kind of retailed for expensive. I'm not gonna add it up because I'm not even gonna try to add it up on the top of my head. But yeah, this was in my August box. This box was pretty good, but I wish you could kind of like customize your box, like tell them what kind of lip color you want, what kind of shade you are, because I don't really like reds and pinks, and I don't like cream products. It's just not my thing. So then the box is not really for me. But overall, the box is pretty good. And yeah, so that's my Boxycharm unboxing. So comment down below and let me know what you got in your box, because it's a little different. So let me know what you got. Let me know if you like Boxycharm. Let me know your thoughts and opinions, and let me know of other subscription box that has like makeup and beauty that I would be interested in, because I'm always looking for something. So I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.